So if you're buying clothes or trying on clothes or with friends or with family or whatever you're doing with your shopping, or maybe just by yourself, you're asking someone in the store for opinions, you're going to want to get some here. And so, qu'est-ce que tu penses de? Qu'est-ce que tu penses de? And then fill it in with perhaps mon or ma. If the item of clothing is masculine, you're going to say mon. If it's feminine, it's ma. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de? What do you think of? And then if you want to ask, do you like it? Does it please you? Do you like it? If it's masculine, like the purse, for example, il te plaît. I know it's funny that the purse is masculine, but whatever. Men carry handbags, right? Anybody can. Or if the tie, feminine tie, elle te plaît, elle te plaît. And then things are plural too, right? The boots or the shoes. Il te plaise, elle te plaise. Changes a little bit. Or does it get along with me? Does it go well for me? Elle me va, il me va. Does it go well? Ils me vont, elles me vont. I have to say those are not as common. Il te plaît, elle te plaît. Do you like them? Elle me va, il me va. A little bit. It's okay. I can't say those are the more common. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de? Il te plaît, elle te plaît. Il me va. I've never really heard it so much in the plural. Gotta say so. C'est tout à fait toi. It's totally you. C'est tout à fait toi. It's totally your style. No. Il est vraiment élégant. Elle est vraiment élégante. Very elegant. Il est joli. Elle est jolie. Pretty. Il est horrible. Elle est horrible. Franchement. Franchement, great word. Frankly or honestly. Franchement. Ils sont or il est, elles sont un peu tape à l'œil. It's like painful to the eye, hits the eye. Franchement, ils sont un peu tape à l'œil. Franchement, elles sont un peu tape à l'œil. Or, il est un peu tape à l'œil, elle est un peu tape à l'œil. Elle te va très bien. It's very well. Elle te va très bien. Il te va très bien. Te va très bien. Pretty common expression. Non. Il ne te va pas de tout. Elle ne te va pas de tout. Ils ne te vont pas de tout. Elles ne te vont pas de tout. Yeah, no. And they will be honest. They will be honest. Now, I added a couple of little, more current ones. Dégueulasse. An expression for shoes. A little more current, a little more slangy. C'est ringard, or ce sont ringards. Ringard, outdated if you watch Emily in Paris. They're using it all the time. C'est moche. Moche just as ugly, it's been around forever. C'est pas terrible. The French use this thing called une tote. L'état is the art of understatement. They're not going to be like, great, or awful, but they'll be like, understated. C'est pas terrible. It's not great, because remember, terrible, false cognate. C'est terrible. Awesome! Terrible is awesome. C'est pas terrible. It's not great.